Hi guys, in this particular video I'm going to talk about a very special class which I'm taking on the second mock test legal aptitude question solving. So this video is presented by me. My name is Trinath Reddy and this is about me, and this particular class will be held on 12th of July 2021 at 10 a.m. and this is a class on the discussion of the legal aptitude section, whereas the 12:30 p.m. class is the previous question paper solving. So these are the questions from the mock test, and this class will be taken by me. My name is Trinath Reddy, and the link to this particular class is there in the first comment. And if you are a new user, you can unlock this particular class for free by using my code Trinath10. And if you have any other queries, you can contact us on this number. So just go through the link which is given in the first comment and you will be redirected to this page. Click on notify me and follow me on Unacademy so that you'll not miss any update when I take a special class. These are the features of Unacademy CLAT. You can access live and recorded classes anytime and anywhere. You also have the opportunity to learn from best educators and NLU alumni. Access to national level mock test and sectional test. Unlimited quizzes. You can also launch a quiz. We have some very important weekly events like Know Your Exam, Topper Strategies, and NLU experiences by faculty members. Law for All 1.0 is a complete comprehensive batch for CLAT 2022. Batch is starting on 14th of July 2021 in both Hindi and English. 350 plus live and recorded sessions, 50 plus additional mock test, weekly sectional test, and monthly current affairs and GK compendiums. So these are our educators for this particular course. Accent 2.0 is a beginner's batch for CLAT 2023 starting on 16th of July 2021 in both Hindi and English. 350 plus live and recorded sessions, 50 plus additional mock test, weekly sectional test, and monthly GK and current affairs compendiums. On popular demand, we have extended our subscription offers. Subscription offers for CLAT are valid till 31st of July 2021. If you purchase 12 months, you'll get 2 months free, and if you purchase 24 months, you'll get 3 months subscription for free. If you want to take any of Unacademy's courses, you can use my code TRINATH10 THRINATH10 for additional 10% discount. Champion mock test for CLAT 2021 is India's largest scholarship test. The first ranker will get 75% scholarship and second to fifth ranker will get 50% scholarship on 6 months and greater subscription. So this champion mock test will be held every Sunday from 10 a.m. and weekly T20 test. Quick 20 minutes revision test for your everyday practice, 20 minutes, 20 questions, 20 marks. On Monday, we have English, Tuesday, Quant, Wednesday, Logic, Thursday, Legal, Friday, Current Affairs and GK. And these tests are open to everyone. If you want to crack CLAT practice with Unacademy Law Aptitude Test, 60 minutes, 60 questions, 60 marks every Friday from 4 to 5 p.m. So subscribe to the YouTube channel of Unacademy CLAT, subscribe to our channel, stay tuned, comment on our videos and do let us know what do you feel, and do show some love by liking and sharing our videos. That's all for now. Bye bye. See you all again on 12th of July, that is on Monday at 10 a.m. to discuss legal aptitude multiple choice questions.